Listen closely, because this is your moment. You are the future of online entrepreneurship. The world has changed, and with each passing day, new opportunities await you. Opportunities that you might not have even seen yet, but are waiting for someone like you to seize them. You have something special. Maybe you've already discovered it, maybe not. But deep down, you feel that you have something unique to offer. Online entrepreneurship is not about following the crowd, but about finding your own voice. What is your passion? What drives you? Take a moment to think. What can you offer the world? Write it down and let that be your compass. The internet has changed the rules of the game. It doesn't matter where you come from, what education you have, or what obstacles you have overcome. The internet gives you the opportunity to create, connect, and grow. Think about all the amazing things you can achieve with the power of the internet by your side. From e-commerce to content creation, the possibilities are endless. But remember, it's up to you to seize those opportunities. There is no better time than now to start. Maybe you feel overwhelmed at times. Maybe you think you don't know enough or aren't ready. But the truth is, you'll never be completely ready. Success comes from taking action, from moving forward, and from making mistakes and learning from them. Every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. If you want to take that first step today, give this video a like to show your commitment. It's a small act, but an important first step. There are no fixed rules in this world of online entrepreneurship. You have the power to choose your own path, to decide which direction you want to go. Whether you start a blog, launch a YouTube channel, or set up your own web shop, it's up to you. The only limit is the one you place on yourself. Dare to dream big and follow your passion. Along the way, you will encounter obstacles. That's part of the journey. Maybe it's a lack of time, resources, or knowledge. But don't let those obstacles discourage you. They are there to make you stronger, to spark your creativity. See them as opportunities to learn and grow. And remember, you're not alone. There is a whole community of online entrepreneurs who can support and inspire you. You are the future of online entrepreneurship. Believe in yourself. Keep learning, keep growing. A world of possibilities lies at your feet, and it's up to you to explore it. We at Revenue Roadmap are here to support you every step of the way. Remember, where ideas grow into success, that's where your story begins. So go for it and let nothing hold you back. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, inspiration, and support on your entrepreneurial journey. Together, we can achieve great things.